Hello students, how are you? Good afternoon, and I hope you all are well at home and studying at home. Right? Are you studying? Yes, very good. So again we are here for starting our today's topic, something new. Okay, so in our last lecture what we have learned? We have learned ascending order. Okay, what we have learned? Ascending order. So today what we are going to do? Today first we revise ascending order and then we will start the new topic, that is descending order. Okay, so let's recall what we have learned in ascending order. So first of all, what is the definition of ascending order? Yeah, what is the meaning of ascending order? So what is ascending order? Ascending order is the arrangement of numbers. Ascending order is arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger. Okay, the arrangement of number from smaller to bigger is ascending order. So descending order is just opposite to ascending order. Okay, descending order is just opposite to ascending order. In ascending order we are arranging number from, in ascending order, no need to write just now. In ascending, what we are doing? We are arranging number from smaller to bigger. In ascending order, we are arranging number from smaller to bigger, but in descending order, what we are doing? In descending order, we are arranging number from bigger number to the smaller number. In descending order, we are arranging number from bigger to smaller. That means descending order is opposite to ascending order and ascending order is opposite to descending order. So let's solve one question first. Okay, let us solve one question. So the question is, I am writing the question here. Some numbers are here I am writing. Okay, so suppose 14, 24, 19, 8 and 31, 31. These are the numbers I have written here. Okay, so my question is to arrange these given numbers, in ascending order and descending order both. Okay, what is my question? To arrange these given numbers in ascending order also and in descending order also. So let's start. First let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. So ascending order means arranging the number from smaller to bigger. So let first you do it, then I will write the answer and you check. Okay, first you will do it. Okay, so first arrange this number in ascending order. So ascending order means arranging from smaller to bigger. So let us find out first the smaller number. Which is the smaller number? The smaller number is 8. 14, 24, 19, 8 and 31. Between these 5 numbers, the smaller number is 8. So first we will write 8. Okay, then this we have already written. Okay, now how many numbers left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 14, 24, 19 and 31. Now which is the smallest number? 14, 24, 19 and 31. The smallest number is 1, 4, 14. So here we will write 1, 4, 14. Now again find out which is the smallest number. This we have written. Now next smallest number. Which is the next smallest number? 24, 19 and 31. The smallest number is 19. So we will write here 19. Okay. Now next smallest number. This we have written. Now only two numbers are left. 24 and 31. Now which is the smallest number? 24. And last number that left is 31. 31. No need to write. I told you not to write. Okay. Now we will arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay. Ascending order we have already arranged these numbers. Now we will arrange the given numbers in descending order. No, descending order means arranging numbers from bigger to smaller. Descending order means arranging number from bigger to smaller. So what is the biggest number between 14, 24, 19, 8 and 31? The biggest number is 31. So first we will write here 31. This already we have written. Now the next number, the next bigger number among these four numbers is 14, 24, 19 and 8. The bigger number is 24. Yes. So write here 2, 4, 24. Now this again we have written. Now the next bigger number identify 14, 19 and 8. Now the next bigger number is 19. Very good. Okay. This already we have written. Now the bigger number between 14 and 8 is 14. So here we have written 14. And the last number that is remaining is 8. Okay. So we have arranged these numbers in ascending order also and in descending order also. Okay. So what we have concluded, हमें क्या पता चला, that when we are arranging these numbers in ascending order, 8, 14, 19, 24 and 31, and in descending order, the reverse of order of this is the answer 31, then 24, 19, 14 and 8. Okay. So in this way we have arranged ascending and descending order. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. Now see what we are doing. Today our topic is descending order. Okay, our today's topic is descending order. Now see, first of all of you open your notebooks. Open your notebooks. After opening your notebooks, what is your first step? That you have to write the date. So write today's date. Write today's date. And the main topic we have already written. The main topic that we have written is ascending and descending orders from 1 to 50. That we have written in our last lecture that we have done. So the topic that we are doing today is descending order. So write the heading descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. So this is your heading. So if you want to underline the heading, you underline it and write the heading descending order. Write the heading descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. See students, in our last lecture in descending order, I have done 5 questions on the board and I am writing the F question, but due to some technical problem, maybe light is gone, so that question I have not done. So if you want to write that question is given in the book. So you can copy that question from the book. Okay. उस दिन जो अपन ने last lecture किया था, that was ascending order. Okay. So that question was left, question number F. So if you want to do that question, what you have to do? That question is given in the book. You copy that question from the book. Okay. So I hope all of you have written the heading descending order. So first we will write the definition. So I am writing the definition on the board. So your work is to copy the definition from the board. Okay. So write with me. what is descending order? Descending order is the arrangement, THE, the arrangement ARRANGEMENT, the arrangement of numbers, NUMBERS, the arrangement of numbers from largest to the arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest, the arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest is called descending, DESCENDING, descending order. And what is the another word for descending? Do you know, students? Descending orders को और क्या बोलते हैं? Descending order is also known as decreasing order. Descending order is also known as decreasing order. I have told you that ascending order is also known as increasing order. Ascending and increasing, both the words is having the same meaning. In the same way, descending and decreasing both are having same meaning. दोनों का मतलब है कि arranging numbers from larger to the smaller. Okay, so copy the question, copy the definition from the board. Then we will write one example. Okay, then we will write one example. The arrangement of numbers, I am reading the definition once again for you. The arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest, and if you want to recognize it, you will underline this from largest to smallest. Okay, or if you want some innovative, you can color it. You can color the largest to smallest, but don't use dark color, otherwise what the spelling will just, you are not able to see. So if you want to color, you use light colors, so that जो आपने लिखा है वो आपको क्लियर हो. अदरवाइज आप डार्क कलर यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा, वो जो आपने लिखा है पेंसिल से वो सब उसमें छुप जाएगा. ओके, और the best way is to just underline it so that you can recognize it, that descending means largest to smallest. Okay, so same way we have underlined in descending order also. So in in descending order, the arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest is called descending order. The arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest is called descending order. So write fast. So we will do oral also, so that you can recognize it what we have done. Okay, so we will repeat 2 or 3 times the ascending order and descending order by oral. Okay, so I hope students you have written it. So ascending order, say in ascending order, descending order, repeat after me, descending order, repeat, descending order, larger to smallest, largest to smallest, descending, largest to smallest, repeat, descending, say descending. You know how do we pronounce this word as descending? Say descending. Okay, descending largest to smallest. Descending largest to smallest. Okay, so let's solve one example. So write here Ex, and this Ex represent the example. Okay, so no need to draw this box. Okay, why I am drawing the box? Because I don't have, you have copy having boxes in that. So I am writing some numbers. You also write that number. All the numbers that I am writing here, you also copy the numbers. So write the number here. What is the number? 2929. The number that I have written here is 2929. Now write the next number. What is the next number? 4545. Now write the next number. 1818. 1818. Now write the last number. 3333. So repeat the numbers that I have written here. You also read the number. What is the number I have written here? 2929. What is the number? 4545. Number 1818. And here 3333. So these are the numbers that I have written here. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange these number in descending order. We have to arrange this number in descending order. So descending order means largest to smallest. Descending order means largest to smallest. Again, descending means largest to smallest. So first we have to identify the largest number, okay, between the four numbers. So which is the largest number? The numbers are 29, 45, 18 and 33. So बड़ा number कौन सा है? The biggest number is 45. So first we will write here 4545. So this number we have written. So I will put a small cross here. If you don't want to put the cross, you don't cross it. Okay. Now how many numbers are remaining? How many numbers are remaining? Count. 29, 18 and 33. These are the three numbers that are remaining. 29, 18 and 33. What are the numbers remaining? 29, 18 and 33. Now identify the biggest number between the three numbers. कौन सा बड़ा number है? Very good. 3333. The biggest number is 3333. Now put a small cross over it. Now children, how many numbers are remaining? How many numbers are remaining? Two numbers, 29 and 18. So now identify the bigger number. Very good. The bigger number is 2929. Very good. Now the remaining number is 1818. Okay, so we have done one example and we arrange the number in descending order. That means from largest number to the smallest number. So copy this example from the board. Copy this example from the board. Copy this example. Okay, I hope you all have written. Now what we have to do, what we are doing now, we are writing the question that are depending on descending order. So first of all, note down the question. Okay. So you have space in your copy on the same page. So you write from the same page. आपके पास उसी पेज में space है. So you continue writing from the same page. If you don't have space, so you also take new page. So write the question. Write the question. And what is the question? The question is arrange arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order. This is the question. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. This is the question. So copy the question fast. Copy question fast. No need to draw this. Okay. So today we are doing 4 questions. Okay. Today we are doing 4 questions. So you write with me. Okay. You write with me. All of you have copied the question. Now the first question is, the numbers given is 2, 1, 21, 3, 2, 32 and 4, 5, 45. What are the numbers given? The numbers given are 2, 1, 21, 2, 1, 21, 3, 2, 32 and 4, 5, 45. So first we have to write the largest number. So what is the largest number between the 3 given numbers? The largest number is 4, 5, 45. So first we will write 4, 5, 45. Then the another 2 numbers are remaining. So the largest number between 21 and 32 is 32. So write here 32 and the number remaining at last is 2, 1, 21. So this is the answer. Copy this. Copy this, students. Now the next question. The next question is 1, 7, 17, 2, 7, 27 and 2, 1, 21. These are the numbers 1, 7, 17, 2, 7, 27 and 2, 1, 21. So first write the biggest number. The biggest number is 2, 7, 27. So in first box write 2, 7, 27. Now the remaining 2 numbers are 17 and 21. The biggest number is 2, 1, 21 and the last number is 1, 7, 17. So we have arranged 27, 21 and 17. Okay. Now the next question. The numbers are 3, 6, 36, 3 8 38 and 4 9 49. These are the numbers 36, 38 and 49. So the biggest number is 4949. So in this box write 4949. Now find the biggest number between the two numbers 3636 and 3838. The biggest number is very good 3838 and the last remaining number is 3636. Very good. Now the last question 12, 24 and 48. First you copy it, then we will solve it. I hope all of you are understanding how we are arranging the numbers. We are arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. Okay, so now solve the last question. The three given numbers are 12, 24 and 48 and the bigger number is 4848. Very good. Now between these two numbers, which is the bigger number? Very good. 2424 and the last remaining number is 12. Okay, so 4 questions we have done. Okay, so now what we have done ascending order and descending order, and now I hope all of you have understood how to arrange the number in ascending order and how to arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, so what I am going to take is your test in the next lecture. Okay, I am going to take your test in the next lecture and the topic is ascending and descending order. Okay students, अब next जो lecture होगा, in that lecture I am going to take your test on the topic ascending and descending order. So be prepared. Okay, I am writing some question on the board and you have to solve it, but don't take help of your parents. Okay, do yourself. I know you all students are very well and you will perform the test very well. Okay, so on next lecture I am going to take your test and that test is based on ascending and descending order. Okay, so get ready for test and prepare yourself. Okay, so for today we stop our lecture here. So goodbye and have a nice day.